Hi, this is Kishor Kunal. I'm an employee of Bihar State Power Transmission Company Limited. I have come here for a 4-day training of IIoT, where the day started with 2 hour sessions of theory. Later on, we had practicals. What we were given, what we were taught in theory. The practicals were much more focused on those theory. So the practical part really reinforced the theory part. And Venkateshwara sir, he is PhD, and the theory was taken so well. He kept the class so engaging, and the class was quite interactive. And most of the part was well connected with real world examples. We related the things quite confidently, and what is there in practical worlds correlate with those things. And the practicals were taken after that, after the theory classes. So it is a very wonderful experience. After college, we didn't had a chance to have such theory and practical classes, and that too on live devices. The practical session, this is our last day, and the practicals that we are going on is covers most prominent things like the prominent IoT devices that are being used, such as on toll plaza, or controlling a motor of water tank. So these are, or even smarter cities. So these things are well known and well in practice today, where people showed us that these things could be hacked, and also let us know how to safeguard our system. So very well, the training has been organized very well, and the topics which have been covered is real world examples. I'm very happy to attend this training to cover these, because IoT is to be future, and cyber security, the threat always lies after the recent heated war environment. Cyber threat have started to a different level. So IT people who are responsible for a cyber threat protecting our IoT devices must and should attend this training. Thank you.